Guys, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. I forgot that. You see this machine yesterday when I was doing juice. This machine it messed with me yesterday. Make I not go talk and finish. This machine messed with me yesterday. It stopped working. So right now, right back, I abandoned everything there yesterday night because I was so tired, exhausted, and all those stuff. To pull it out to start washing. I was so tired. Even the juice that I wanted to do, I did not even finish the juice last night. I did not finish making the juice. Look at, just imagine. It messed me up last night. So let me take it to the sink. And I have to wash a lot of plates now because of this machine last night. Beggy, and I'm hungry too. Before I will start cooking, doing something, before I will start making something for me to eat, I have to first of all clean up this mess. When you think that it is over, that is when different kind of issues will start bringing out themselves. Isn't it, guys? Okay, I'm cleaning everything now to make it neat and keep it. I'm going to finish my juice today, my orange juice. I'm going to do my orange juice today because I need to finish everything first. Okay. Let me first of all introduce. Let me first of all introduce my fufu. My kitchen is messed up. So this is, I want to boil my fufu that came from Nigeria. So since that is still very, very thick, I will cut it into pieces like this so that they can cook quick. This is my own method. Well, I'm not finish here. Okay, you see the way the fufu is being molded. I will cut it this way. I'm going to cry for everybody because I don't have fufu anymore. So I will just put it on the fire to start boiling. Then I will take my time to wash those plates immediately. You see? It's very simple for me to do. Now we just pack it here. Pack everything here. Okay. Then wrap it. One, I'm going to use 2 sachets to wrap it. Okay. I've used 2 sachets to wrap it. Then I will put it inside my water to just be cooking gradually. Okay. It will just be boiling. Cooking gradually. That is how it's going to be.